Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kendrys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about using art books to learn how to draw and to get better. So the main thing I want to talk about is doing the work, not just reading what it says. I know I used to do this a lot, where I would just read it and kind of just understand what they're saying. And you understand how to do it, but you don't actually do it. And going with that, instead of trying to come up with a new image or something like that, just copy exactly what they have there. Because if you try to find another image like online or something like that, it might be like a bad image, or it's that it doesn't fit like the exercise. So if you do exactly what they're showing you, if you do exactly what they're showing you, that means you got the reference right there, and it's a high quality image and it's designed for that specific thing that they're trying to teach you. So there's these two ideas about learning, and one of it is like the theory and then the practice. So you can learn the theory about anything, like let's say drawing. You can understand how the light works. It's gonna be lighter, or the lines and perspective. You can understand it. Like if somebody gives you a test, you can write like the definitions of everything. You learn, the theory behind drawing, right? But that's only part of it. Is then the practice, the practical thing. So it's like that thing, like knowing is not enough. Like you have to apply. You have to apply the knowledge, and so you can learn actually how to do it. And that's something I used to not do. I would just read a lot of books, like art books, and I would do some of the exercises, but not that many. But I realized just actually doing it, following exactly what they're saying, is gonna make you improve a lot faster. And even if it's not like a how-to book, even if it's just an art book, copying everything, you'll get better faster because you're drawing high quality images. I think if you're gonna draw from imagination, you have to first draw from the books, do the lesson, like copy the image exactly. I mean, not exactly, but like as best as possible so you get to understand it, and then you can try and like apply it. Try to use what you learn from copying, then you apply it to creating something new. So I like this kind of book because it has like step by step. It shows you how it will look at the beginning, then the middle, and the end. So it helps you see the process, not just the final image. And those are pretty good. Even if it's like another medium, like this book is about like oil painting, but you could apply a lot of that to any kind of painting, like digital painting. But it's good to see the process. So this kind of like how to books are pretty good. So that's pretty much it for the video. Just a quick video about how to use art books and how-to books. So yeah, let me know what you think, how you guys use it, and I'll put some of the links to some of the books that I use and I think that are useful. I'll put that in the description if you want to know. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.